Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, it's been a long week. I've been meaning to make this video, but as I say before, I work a real job. I'm not a YouTuber to where I don't have to work. I actually work a 12-hour shift. But, hey, it finally came. My new stars to my collection. I've got 3 new ones for you. And I've also got one at the end of this video that I'm going to mention that I forgot I had. Guys, I forgot I had this one. How could I forget I had it? It's so great. I can't even find it, but I've got it. It's in here. It's in this house somewhere. I'm going to save it for the last. One that will blow your mind. It's at the top of a lot of YouTubers' lists. I can't wait to tell you what it is, but right now, let's go with what I just ordered. I picked it up the other day. Wanted to make the video a couple of days ago. But like I said, I worked. The first one, I may mispronounce the name of it. Just got it. Awesome. Awesome. Remember, guys, a lot of colognes that I have in my collection are inexpensive. Most, I think the highest one I paid was like $60. Most of them are going to be anywhere from $25 to $60 because I'm working on a budget. To be honest with you, I can't afford to spend $200 and $300 for cologne. Wish I could. Facts are facts, you know. So especially when you don't know if it's going to smell good on you, if it's going to be good for you, you know. Like I said, I've smelled Creed Aventus. This is just me. This is just my opinion. This is what YouTubers do. Give their opinion. Creed Aventus did not do it for me. It didn't. I can't spend $300 on Creed Aventus, and it doesn't do it for me. But let's get into this video. Number one, I just picked this up. I'm gonna mess the name up. I know I am. I think it's Encre Noire. I'm going to spell it out. It's going to be in the description because I know I'm messing the name up. But let me tell you guys. This stuff smells good. This really smells good. I tell you. Oh my God. This smells awesome. I don't normally do this, but I will from time to time tell you. It's a woody, aromatic scent. Top notes of cypress, middle notes of vetiver, base notes are musk, and cashmere wood. It has a nice and enticing scent. You can buy it. I've seen it on some websites where it's around $25, $35, depending on what website you go to. Daughter smelled it, loved it. Wife smelled it, loved it. It's awesome. Get some. All right. Next up. Look at the bottle. Nice bottle. Boom. Boom. This one is Dunhill Icon Elite. It's a woody, masculine scent with vetiver, sandalwood, and sweet cadmium. You can get this one anywhere from $35 to $65, just depending on what website you go to. Again, guys, nice scent, nice scent. Now, I will say, I've worn this one out. Smells really good. Smells really good on you. I've worn it out. I don't think it really projects. You know, when you leave the room, it's not going to leave a nice scent trail. But it is for close encounters. This one also, I haven't really worn it out. I've sprayed it on. It smells real good. Haven't worn it out, so I don't know how the scent trail, I don't know how it projects or the length or how long it's gonna last on your body. But this is Dunhill Icon Elite. You can pick this up for anywhere from $35, $65, depending on what website you go to. Good stuff. This is really good. In my opinion, really good. I love it. I love it. And I will tell you this. What I do is look at other YouTubers and I cross-reference. I just try to find out what I think, what they're saying is the best smelling. And I'm buying a lot of this, almost all of this, without smelling it first. So, you know, I'm telling you which ones I like are the ones that I've heard other YouTubers, and I've got a notebook of, you know, like I said, I keep a notebook of different stuff. I'll show you. You know, I'm gonna be transparent with you. I keep a notebook of the different colognes that I've seen other YouTubers talk about, and I try to figure out which one do I want to try, which one I can afford to try, and I go from there. Next on the list, though, guys. Next one. When I smelled this one, I almost dropped my. That's a different story. Here's the next one. This one right here is Davidoff Run Wild. Guys, girls, when I first smelled this one, man. I've worn this one out also as well. This one smells so good. It's made by Davidoff, as I said before. The same person made Cool Water. This one, something I don't know what it is about this. This one is just, it's that good. It's that good. I'm having fun tonight. This one is actually that doggone good. Davidoff Run Wild. Man, these three that I just got this week, I think I got them on Tuesday or Wednesday. Oh my goodness. These three are great additions to my collection. The Run Wild, you can get that from anywhere from $23 to $48. Inexpensive. If you don't like it, you know, it's one of those things. You can go out and, you know, take your wife out, your significant other out, and spend $25 on a meal. Try it. Try it. You'll love it. Top notes are cinnamon and ginger. Middle note is lavender. Base notes are tonka bean and raisin. I'm messing it all up. But what I will tell you, it smells good. It's something, it's almost a familiar scent. Something in it just, it's almost familiar, like I smelled it before. But it smells so good. When I first smelled this one, it's like smelling heaven. It is. The only downfall to this is, for me, you have to spray a lot. You gotta go maybe 4, 5. Don't be scared to spray. And you know, when you're paying $25, $30, you can afford to spray a little bit more. You can, it's inexpensive. I never call cologne cheap, but it's inexpensive. But this smells good. I'm glad I got this in my collection. Last on the list, the one that I forgot I had, the one cologne I forgot I had. All my reviews I've did so far, I keep forgetting about, I forgot Spicebomb Extreme. I know, how could I forget I got it? I forgot Spicebomb. Spicebomb, oh my God. It's a good winter scent. Oh man, it's just a spicy winter scent. My wife loves it. I love it. You've got to get Spicebomb Extreme. Now, it is a little bit more expensive. It's gonna go up to, you can get some maybe 60 or 80 on the low. It's worth it. If you look at any YouTuber's channel, guarantee you they're gonna be talking about Spicebomb Extreme. You've got to get your hands on it. we're hitting spring. We're in spring season now. I will still get my hands on it. Use Afterpay. Dun, 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 dun. Just found out about Afterpay. Not too. I knew about it, but I'm finally experiencing Afterpay. Hey, might be getting some top line stuff. I might be increasing my budget a little bit, with that Afterpay. But guys, that's my review for the day. 3 new to my collection. They will all be listed in the description box. Which one do I think is the best? I don't know. There's something about the Run Wild. It smells so good. It smells so good, guys. And don't forget, I can't find my bottle of spicebomb with cream. I do have some. Amazing. Dunhill Icon Elite, great. They're all great. And I'm the type of person, if I find one that I don't really like, I'm gonna tell you, hey, was not for me. Creative Interest, it might be the king for some people. It ain't the king for me. If you like it, you like it. I'm not, you like it. I don't like it. I'm gonna give it another try later. I'm gonna go to a kiosk and spray it on, walk around and see how, how it performs. But the first time I tried Creative Interest, it didn't do it for me at all. And if I buy a bottle of cologne for $200-something and up, I think the last time I saw Creative Interest was like $240. If I'm gonna pay $240, why would I pay $240 for something I don't like? Just because of some more guys on YouTube say it's the king of colognes. We all have our opinions. I don't care for it. But that's the end of my video, guys. I don't want to hold you guys up. Some of you may be like me, working guys. We can't be watching be on YouTube all night. So guys, thank you for watching another video. Hang in with me, guys. Later on, I'm trying to work on upping my game with the graphics and the thumbnails and all that and the editing. But right now, it's just me giving you my opinion of colognes and my collection. And look, I'm gonna be up all night tonight trying to find what can I get next. And whatever you guys suggest, I'm willing to try. As long as it's in my price range. I ain't trying to spend $300 sight unseen and not smelling it. I won't be able to, I just want to make some videos, have some fun with it, guys. I hope you like the videos. If you like it, please like, subscribe, share. And until I see you again, hopefully I'll be seeing you again real soon. I am gonna be trying to order some more, something. I'm gonna order something else tonight. And unlike most YouTubers, later on, maybe when I edit this, I might put some of the YouTubers that I follow, different clone people I follow, in the description, because I'm not a big YouTuber. I'm really, it's just me and probably 2 or 3 subscribers. So I honestly don't have anything to lose. I'm just making these videos because I've got a small collection I'm adding on to it. I like to be one of the guys or girls to have big channels and a lot of followers or subscribers. Maybe I get there, maybe I won't, but who knows. I'm just gonna see how far I can take this thing, guys. Hang in there with me. It's been fun. This is my funnest video. This is funnest. This video I had a lot of fun making, and I hope that I see you guys soon. Peace, guys.